Okay, let's show you how to do the initial setup using the GoPro app. When you open up the app should automatically find your camera, but sometimes it doesn't. So what you do then is you push the little camera with the plus sign button up in the top right, and it'll go searching for your camera. If it still doesn't find your camera, then you need to put it in pairing mode. To put the camera in pairing mode, you're going to turn the camera on and you're going to go to Preferences by swiping down and pushing Preferences. Now click on Connections, Connect Device, GoPro app, and now your camera's in pairing mode and your app should see it. So go back to your GoPro app, click the plus camera button in the top right, hit max if you need to, and then follow the instructions on the screen.